to my channel. And today I'm going to be shopping for one of an outfit that I really, really like. Okay. To be honest, I don't really like the new themes. Like, I don't like them at all, actually. Wait, I'm going to be shopping for themes. In themes. The old themes are really nice though. Well, some of them. Wait, I like that dress. Oh god. Here that looks. Okay, I really like that. Doesn't look too royal, but I guess we can fix that up. Okay, that looks nice. Even though the red should be a different colour, maybe. A different colour, probably suit it. No. No, I think I leave this one. Okay. No, I don't like those. Okay. No. I don't really like the dress you're wearing. I don't like that hair. Well, that hair's okay, but I don't really like it a lot. Okay, I love that dress, yeah. No, I don't like that thing. Oh my god, that freaks me out. Okay. I'm gonna try some new theme hair. No, that would totally look good. With an old theme hair. But I'm doing some tiny hairs. Okay. No. I've got that already. I need a hair that will make you say wow, apart from this. Because this is really wow. No. No. Let me add this. Yeah, I'm not nervous for this. I think, yeah, that one. But the hair doesn't go with it. Oh, okay, long. Actually, styled long would really go with that dress, I don't think. Okay. No. No, I don't think that hair goes with it. No. I don't think so. I don't think this will go, but I love this hair. I've been wanting it for ages. And finally I have a chance to have enough to buy it, but it doesn't really go. Blonde, no. Brown, no. Black, no. No. I actually really like this hair. Like, I really like it. Don't ask me why, it's just... But I think it goes though. Oh, I wish I could find a hair that totally goes with it. But, oh. Oh, I quite like this. Yeah. Yeah, I like this. Quite nice. It looks okay, but I wouldn't really... Okay, let me look for more. I think I'll spend more of my coins there, actually. I don't think that's the right hair. I'm just wondering, none of them really probably go. I think Ariana Grande hair got that. Oh, this could actually go. Oh, I've seen a person have that hair, that really freaks me out. No, that hair does not go. No! Okay, I'm not even gonna think about that. No. This hair is just like a waste of time. I just look at it and I just get polka dot. God. I don't know why I just did that. Did that? No. Well, if you can hear music, it's not actually mine. Coming from outside. Quite a hot day today, so everybody's probably out and about. Whoa. Whoa. Oh my god, I love that, and that. Okay. I seriously want. Oh, I can't do this. Yeah, and the, flower, flower, in the, Oh my god, I love that. Oh my god, I seriously need that. I think we get the hair actually. I've got some hair now. Camera wishes. Okay, let me show you mine. Oh. Okay, this is one. No. Okay. Okay. I think I do have some matching things to go with the outfit already. So I was going to buy this hair, but I realised I already had it in a similar colour, so probably just if I can find it. And I like those leggings, or like leggings. Okay. Oh my god, it's like similar colours to Dolphin 657. Right here. Oh my god, where is that hair? Please don't go when I need you. But in the meantime, guys, just you can comment to see which continuously. So I'm not okay. Actually, wait 1 minute. I'm actually getting really freaked out. Oh my god. I haven't got it. But seriously, oh my god, there's a hair that really would go with it. No, I haven't given it away. Okay, leave it. Okay, that should do it for now. Okay guys, so be sure to make looks of me and comment your username and then I'll add you if I can. I probably will have more friends though, because I'm a level 17 and please help me level up, because I might be doing another double phone video soon. Okay.